Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the tab spacing in your document in Microsoft Word. So in here, I've already opened a blank document on my Word, and here I'm going to try just write one and click on tab on my keyboard. So there will be create a tab spacing like this, and 2, tab again, 3, tab, and 4, 5 for example. So as you guys can see here, the default tab spacing is around 1.2 or 1.1 centimeter. And if you want to change the spacing tab here, you can just go to the home and then go to this line and paragraph spacing icon at the top and then tap on line and spacing options. So here, click on the tabs button. So now you can see the default tab stop is 1.27 centimeters, and here I will change it, for example, into 3 centimeter. Just click on your keyboard and then click on OK. So just like that, it will change automatically. Now the tab spacing is on 3 centimeters. So when I try to click on enter and write again, and then on that, you can see the spacing is now changing following the default spacing that I set, the new tab settings that I saved before. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the text. Bye.